Number 6, again a very, very important question. It says the correct answer of this question is option A. The correct answer of this question is option A. Now, it says the owner of an art shop conducts his business in the following manner. Okay. Every once in a while, he raises his price by X%. Okay. So let's say if originally his price is nothing but P. Okay, his price is P. Okay. After the first cycle, he raises the price by X% and then he decreases the price by X%. So there is an increase of X% and then further he decreases by X%. Alright. And after one such up down cycle, the price is decreased by 441. So P minus 441. Then after that, again there is an X% increase and X% decrease. Alright. And the final price of the painting is equal to nothing but that is equal to 1944.81. What was the original price of the painting? Now, I need to find out the original price of the painting. So, can I say in both the cycles the percentage change is same? X% increase, X% decrease, two successive changes. So, two successive changes of X% increase and X% decrease. What is that equal to? Can I say X square by 100%? Because two successive changes, X minus of X square by 100. So, that is equal to minus X square by 100. So overall percentage change in the first cycle is nothing but minus X square by 100%, and here also the overall change is minus X square by 100%. Is that clear to all of you? So in both the cases the percentage change is same. Alright. Now the question here is what? Okay. So can I say in this case the ratio of these two, because as we know the percentage change is same. In both the cycles the percentage change is same. So the ratio of these two, it must be equal to ratio of these two. But before that, tell me one thing. If I say, can my price be 2000? Let's try to solve with that problem. Price is 2000. Because if it is 2000, 2000 minus 441. What is 2000 minus 441? Please tell me. 2000 minus 441. It will be approximate 1500 something. And again, I am decreasing 1500 by certain amount because it is negative. 1500 by certain amount and I am getting 1944. Is that possible? If you decrease something from 1500, approximately 1500, can it decrease? No, it can never be 1944. So the answer can't be option number D. Answer can't be option number D. Similarly, if I take the original price is 2256.25. So in the first cycle, it is decreased by 441. So approximately 2256 minus 441, that will be equal to 1815.25. And again, if I further decrease, so it will be becoming less than that, less than 1944. So the answer can't be even option number B. Yes or no? So option B and option D can be rejected here. Now option C, it is coming out to be 2500. Decrease of 441, so that will be equal to 2059. Yes or no? 2059. And here we know the final price is 1944.81. Okay. And we know that percentage change between these two and the percentage change between these two, it has to be same, X square by 100 and X square by 100. Alright. So one of the ways we can find out the percentage change between these two as well as these two quickly with the help of calculator, because nowadays calculator is allowed, or there are a lot of ways. So tell me, I can say the percentage change, that is nothing but basically here it will be equal to 2059 by 2500. And here it will be equal to 1944.81 by 2059. Whether these two will be same? Whether these two will be same? Please tell me. Are these two same? No. So the answer can't be option number C. So there has to be only one option, which is D. There is only one option, which is D. Is that clear to all of you? With the help of options, that is one of the ways. The other approach, besides the here, method 2. Okay. Now, we know that P, there is a decrease of minus X square by 100%. Yes or no? and here. So from here I can say the price is P initially minus P into 1 minus x square by 100 square is equal to 441. Okay. The difference between these two is nothing but 441 after reducing by x square by 100%. So multiplying factor is 1 minus x square by 100 square. Okay. So let's say this value is equal to D. I can say this is equal to P minus PD, which is equal to 441. Just for your calculation, I am assuming 1 minus x square to be 100 square as T. Now, similarly, after the second cycle, okay, second cycle. So second cycle, we know original price is P into 1 minus x square by 100 square. First cycle, the price has become this one. Then again, there is a decrease. So into again 1 minus x square by 100 square. And this price is equal to 1944.81. So I can say this is PD square. It is equal to 1944.81. Okay. So we have got PD square equal to 1944.81 and P minus PD, which is equal to 441. And our target is to eliminate D. So of course you can solve it. Okay, it will be a quadratic equation, not exactly a quadratic equation. I can find out the value, since I need to find out here, so you can substitute the value of D from here. Substitute the value of D from here in the second equation. So I'll get this equation as nothing but that is D. D is equal to 441. It will be comes out to be 441 plus P by P. So 441 plus P by P whole square. That is equal to 1944.81. Alright. So from here, if you take this will be comes out to be 441 plus P whole square. It is equal to 1944.81 P. Take a square root, so I'll get 441 plus P. Now this is actually a square of 441 itself. So this is equal to 44.1 root P. So 44.1 root P. Okay. And if you assume root P equal to Y, so you get a quadratic equation, that is 441 plus Y square is equal to 44.1 Y. So you need to solve this quadratic equation, and by solving this quadratic equation, you can find out the value of P. Is that clear? Or you can now substitute the value of P with the help of options. So the best way is with the help of options, because this will become complicated. Is that clear? Can I move to the next question? Question number 7.